Hello, we are discussing about solutions for the GATE 2012 and the topic is electron devices. So this is one more question. Look at the diagram and given current voltage equation. I is equal to V minus 0.7 by 500 amperes. If voltage is greater than or equal to 0.7 volts, if the voltage is less than 0.7 volts, current is 0. For the given IV characteristics, you need to find about the current flowing through the diode I. The current in the circuit is A 10 milliamperes, B 9.3 milliamperes, C 6.67 milliamperes, D 6.2 milliamperes. I am reading the question again. For the given circuit with the diode IV characteristics, find out the current flowing through the diode. So the right answer for this one is 6.2 milliamperes. We will see how we are getting 6.2 milliamperes for this one. First of all, from the given equation, the voltage current equation for the diode is I is equal to V minus 0.7 volts by 500 amperes whenever voltage is 0.7 volts. Here I implies nothing but current flowing through the diode, V is nothing but voltage across the diode terminals. So whenever V is greater than or equal to 0.7 volts, that implies nothing but V is equal to 0.7 volts. Cut-in voltage of the diode is treated as 0.7 volts. That was the information we are getting from this one. And from this VI characteristics, we can say that one, it has finite forward bias resistance. So we are getting two important points from this equation. One is V gamma, cut-in voltage is 0.7 volts and it has finite forward resistance. Now, this was the actual circuit given. For this one, you need to calculate current flowing through the diode. Since 10 volts is applied to the diode and positive terminal of 10 volts is connected to P side and negative terminal is connected to N side. That means P side of the diode is more positive than N side of the diode. So that diode is forward bias. Whenever the diode is forward bias, while we are going to calculate parameters, we need to replace the diode with equivalent model. From the equation, we can say that one, now the diode is going to be replaced with piecewise linear model. In piecewise linear model, the diode consisting of voltage source, that is threshold voltage, cut-in voltage along with forward resistance. So diode will be consisting of two parameters. One is cut-in voltage, the other is forward resistance. So now simply the same circuit here we are going with, except the diode. Here this is the diode with P terminal and N terminal that has been replaced with its equivalent model. So in this equivalent model, RF is forward resistance and V gamma is cut-in voltage. V gamma is 0.7 volts, it is known, but we don't know the value of RF. So first we need to calculate RF under diode forward bias, then we need to calculate I. So first step is nothing but to calculate RF. RF is nothing but dynamic resistance of the diode under forward bias. So dynamic resistance can be calculated by dou V by dou I. And under forward bias we know the current equation. I is equal to V minus 0.7 by 500. So first differentiate this with respect to V. So di by dV is nothing but 1 by 500. We need RF, dynamic resistance, that is dV by di. So simply take the reciprocal of this one, that is RF is equal to dV by di, that is 500 ohms. Now for the circuit, we know all the parameters except I. So simply apply KVL around this loop to know the value of I. So KVL is going to be like this, 10 volts minus current flowing through 1 kilo ohm minus current flowing through forward resistance minus V gamma. So 10 minus I times of 1500 minus 0.7, so I is equal to 10 minus 0.7 by 500, 1500. So finally I is treated as 6.2 milliamperes. So whenever such type of problems are raised, first try to identify from the equation what is the cut-in voltage and what is forward resistance. Simply diode is replaced with equivalent model. From the equation we can finalize whether it is ideal diode or simple diode or piecewise linear diode model. Then replace in the circuit with equivalent model and apply KVL to find the parameters. So I is equal to 6.2 milliamperes, which is the right answer for the given question. Thank you.